Okay, so today I am going to try something out on the Jeep for cleaning it that I hope is going to be a success. I've been wanting something that I can roll up underneath there and spray, kind of pressure spray, get the mud off underneath without having to lay down and do all the different things. So I was thinking I was going to make one, but then all of a sudden I had this brilliant idea. Why don't I look on Amazon and see if they actually have them? And what I found was this little unit right here, and it was only $19.99. Now I haven't tried it out yet. So what you do, you hook your pressure sprayer to that, and then it rolls up underneath the vehicle. So we're gonna give that a shot and see if it's actually worth the $19.99, and I suspect it is, but we'll find out. Things that make your life easier help you to be free. Pretty interesting. The thing's kind of hard to control because of the spraying all over, but it's actually pretty cool. Definitely neat operation there. You can see you get a little bit of overspray on you, but it's a lot better than laying down and trying to use your pressure sprayer up underneath there. So very good. It's going to be great when we go to the Outer Banks, come back, all the salt that's under the vehicle, that'll be priceless. So anything you can try that will help you save some time, just helps you to be free.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.